王者峡谷一条街，打听打听谁是
When you can have the Vexilar W7 robot vacuum cleaner with mop. Seriously, if you've ever struggled with cleaning up after a long day, this little powerhouse is about to change your life. Unlike other brands that just vacuum, the Vexilar W7 not only sucks up dirt but also mops your floors simultaneously. Plus, it navigates effortlessly around furniture and even avoids those pesky cords. I've tried other vacuums that left me disappointed, but this one? It's an absolute game changer. The suction is incredibly strong, and the mopping feature? Total bliss. You'll feel like you've got a personal assistant at home. So, if you're ready to elevate your cleaning game, check out the Vexilar W7. Trust me, your floors will thank you. Click that link and make cleaning a breeze.